Hey everyone, I'm Erica from Rick's Review Hub and welcome back to the channel. If you're sick of weak, overpriced coffee shop runs, if you dream of pulling rich espresso shots, frothy lattes and creamy cappuccinos at home without spending hundreds on a complicated machine, then this review is going to change your mornings forever. Today we're reviewing the AIRMSEN 20 bar espresso machine. This compact powerhouse delivers true 20 bar pressure, thick crema and easy milk frothing so you can enjoy cafe quality drinks right in your kitchen. Head over to Amazon using the link in the description and check it out. Trust me, this is one of the best home espresso machines for the money right now. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours and help support the channel. Let's break down the features of the AIRMSEN 20 bar espresso machine. It has a strong 20 bar Italian pump that creates the perfect pressure for extracting bold, flavorful espresso with beautiful golden crema. The commercial style steam wand is powerful enough to produce silky microfoam for perfect lattes, cappuccinos and flat whites. It comes with a 58mm portafilter and both single and double shot baskets, so you can make one shot or two at a time. The large removable water tank makes refilling quick and easy, and the drip tray catches spills for simple cleanup. The thermoblock heating system heats up fast, so you're not waiting forever for your first shot. It has a compact design that fits almost any counter, a sleek stainless steel finish, and straightforward buttons for espresso, steam, and hot water. Setup is super easy. Fill the tank, plug it in, let it heat, grind your beans, tamp, lock in the portafilter, and pull your shot. Real-world performance is where this machine really shines. It pulls rich, balanced espresso shots with excellent crema, whether you use pre-ground or freshly ground beans. The steam wand creates thick, velvety microfoam that's great for latte art with a little practice. It heats up quickly so you can go from cold to cappuccino in just a couple of minutes. Milk frothing is consistent and the espresso tastes smooth and full-bodied without being bitter when you get the grind and tamp right. It's beginner-friendly with simple controls, but it still gives enough control for more experienced users to dial in their perfect shot. Pros and cons to keep it real. The pros are impressive. True 20 bar pressure for authentic espresso with thick crema. Powerful steam wand for excellent milk frothing, fast heat up time, compact size that fits small kitchens, easy to use buttons, removable parts for quick cleaning, and fantastic value for a home espresso machine. Reviewers say it makes mornings feel special and saves them money on coffee shop visits. On the con side, it's a single boiler so you can't pull a shot and steam milk simultaneously. The portafilter is aluminium instead of brass like premium machines. The steam wand has a plastic tip and it takes a little practice to get perfect milk texture. These are normal for machines in this price range and the pros far outweigh them for most home users. My recommendation? Yes, definitely. Pick up the AIRMSEN 20 bar espresso machine if you want real espresso, great milk frothing and cafe-style drinks at home without a complicated or expensive setup. It's perfect for beginners, coffee lovers, small kitchens, or anyone who wants to cut back on expensive coffee runs. If these honest coffee and kitchen gear reviews are helping you brew better at home, hit subscribe for more. And click that affiliate link in the description. It gets you the best deal and keeps the channel going strong at no extra cost to you. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a ton for watching. If this got you excited about better coffee, give it a like, share with a friend who loves espresso, or subscribe for more. See you next time.